Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss an activity based on the chapter Weather, Climate and Adaptation from class 7 science. This activity is important for the evaluation purpose of this year, and this is a very simple activity. And this activity is purely based on the chapter Weather, Climate and Adaptation that would be following or continuing along with this activity after this. So, I explain this very carefully. You listen, please. Activity. Collect 7 days of weather pattern from newspaper or other media. Include temperature, humidity and windfall. Record it on a sheet of paper. Okay, you can record this weather pattern on a sheet of paper. First of all, you have to take a sheet of paper and using the newspaper. You can use the newspaper of any language we can select. In all the newspaper weather patterns of the day you can see. You can start from any day to complete 1 week or previous weeks. Newspaper also you can take. Whatever the newspaper available for continuous days, you can take it. Okay, keep in mind, if you do not have the previous day's newspaper, you can use the newspaper from the day you begin the activity. So, you collect the temperature. What is the temperature? Date you write, temperature of the day. Then, the temperature, you can understand that the temperature can be recorded between a day's temperature, average temperature, low temperature and high temperature would be given. And you can note down the high temperature. Okay, high temperature or low temperature, no problem. Okay, but you have to mention that it is a low temperature or high temperature on a sheet of paper. If you are taking 7 days low temperature, only take low temperature. That is recorded in the morning. Okay, and the high temperature can be recorded in the afternoon hours. That is between 1 to 3, in between 1 and 3. Okay, so you take any low temperature or high temperature and record it on a sheet of paper, and when you write it on a sheet of paper, you must mention that it is the lower temperature for the day. If you are taking lower temperature, only take the lower temperature of the days of 7 days consecutively. And if you take the higher temperature or maximum temperature, you can use the maximum temperature. You can take the maximum temperature of the 7 days you are recording. Okay, that you can record and write on a sheet of paper. Right, that is the first work. Okay, and the second work you can see, take a graph. A graph you can take and you make a line, y-axis and x-axis. In the y-axis you can write the dates. For example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You need to write only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. On the, on the top of this graph you can write the date you started. Monday, what date? From the Monday to Sunday, you can write. Monday to next Monday. Okay, you can write the 7 days. But you need to write only the day Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday on the y-axis. In every 10 column, 10 dots, you can make it, you can write it. At the x-axis, you can write the temperature recorded of these days. Of course, it would be changing, or sometimes it may be, some 2 days it may be same. Whatever that, you can make a dot every day. Or after 1 week, you can make it after collecting the data. Then at last we can connect the dots, 7 dots. So you can understand that how the variation, how this temperature is getting varied from day to day, and you will get an average idea about an average temperature of these days. So it means that you can understand whether the temperature is increasing or decreasing in a day. Okay, this is a sample recording of the weather pattern, and more details can be done in the coming years. Okay, this is only a simple pattern of graphical representation of these changes or variation in temperature that we experience daily, and this indicate that you can understand that the temperature is increasing or decreasing this week. Okay. Now, along with the temperature, we can note down the humidity. Humidity is the water vapor, the rate of water vapor present in the atmosphere. That also we can collect it, and also we can see the wind blow, how much wind blow. That also can be recorded on the sheet of paper. But when you draw the graph, you need to only mention or indicate the temperature. Okay, that's all in this part. Thank you.